Hey everybody out there, this is Jody here at the Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness, and today is February 1st. It is the month of love. It's time to love more this month. I just wanted to get on and wish you all a very happy Valentine's Day and a month of love. And if you're thinking about what you can do for the people in your life that you love, it's nice to go out and buy presents and all of that. But Valentine's Day does not need to be about spending money. It's about expressing yourself and expressing your love in the best way that you can. Here's a wonderful example of something that my office did for me. They made me a heart on my wall and wrote down all the things they love about me, and I look at it every single day and it reminds me how loved I am here in this office. I bet you if you thought about the people in your life that you love the most, you can come up with a few ways without spending a dime to let them know how important they are. And don't forget that it's also the month of love. So if you haven't been in the office for a bit to get your hormones, make sure to come and see us so that you can celebrate and enjoy your Valentine's Day the way you want to. All right, from all of us here at the Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness, we wish you a happy love month, happy Valentine's Day, and we'll see you soon.